Now see this question. They are given that capital A is set of all natural numbers 1, 2, 3, so on infinity, and a binary operation star is defined as A star B is equal to A power B. So that is how they are defining the binary operation for all A comma B belongs to A. Which of the following is true? They are saying that they are given four options. A star B is semi-group but not monoid. A comma star is monoid but not a group. A comma star is a group. A comma star is not a semi-group. So these four are given. So one interesting thing here is, what is the relation between algebraic structure, semi-group, monoid and a group? See this, if you see that these are all algebraic structures, set of all algebraic structures possible, then this will be this particular thing, this will be set of all semi-groups possible, right? And then this will be set of all monoids possible, and then this will be set of all groups possible. So what did you understand from this? There will be some algebraic structures which are not going to be semi-groups, they will be present here. There will be some semi-groups which are not monoids, so they will be present here. There will be some monoids which are not groups, and there will be groups. Now he is exactly asking, where do you want to place that A comma star? So is it going to be semi-group but not monoid, which means are you going to place it here? Is it going to be monoid not a group, which means are you going to place it here? Or is it a group, or is it here, which means is it not a semi-group? So he is asking, where do you want to place A? That is the question. So best thing is you start with algebraic group and get down to it. Okay, now the operation is A star B is defined as A power B, right? So if I take two natural numbers and if I raise A to the power B, then definitely the result is also going to be a natural number. And so whatever numbers you take, always A power B is definitely belonging to A. Therefore closure property is satisfied. So what can you say about A comma star? A comma star is definitely algebraic structure, but in the option they didn't ask about it at all. So next one is, let's see whether it is semi-group or not. How can we test whether it is semi-group or not? Associativity. So what does it mean? If I have A star B star C with B associated to the star, first star, is it going to be same as, I don't know, is it going to be same as A star B star C, which means B associated to the second star? Are they both same? If they both are same, then we can say that associativity rule is followed, and so it is semi-group. Now let's see this one. Now what is A star B? Now they have given that A star B is nothing but A power B, right? It is A power B star C. I'm talking about LHS. Now what is A power B star C? It is nothing but A power B power C. So which is nothing but A power BC. Therefore the LHS is nothing but here A power BC. Let's look at the RHS as well. Now if you look at RHS, B star C has to be evaluated first, therefore it is nothing but B power C. So RHS is going to be A star B power C, right? And now if you see this one, this can be written as A star something, so A power B power C. Are you getting this? A star B power C is nothing but, if you consider this one as X, then it is A star X. Now that is nothing but A power X. So in place of X, if you substitute back, you are going to get this, right? See, what I am trying to say here is simple. You have A star B star C. We know that B star C is B power C, which means B power C, right? And now let's assume that b power c is x, which means I can write it as a power a star x, which is nothing but a power x. Now in place of x you substitute b power c, then what do you get? A power b power c. Got it? So LHS is a power bc. So why is LHS a power bc? Because in LHS it is a power b star c. That is how I got a power bc. So LHS is a power bc and RHS is a power b power c. Both are not same, right? So if you want you can check it. Let's say a is 2, b is 3, c is 4. Okay, then what will left hand side become? Left hand side will become 2 power 12. Then what will right hand side become? Right hand side will become 2 power 3 power 4 is nothing but 81. Right? So both are different. So clearly associativity rule fails here. The particular operation given, which is a power b, a raised to the power b, is not associative, and so we can say that it is not this semi group. So just let's see if any of the options are satisfying that. First one is saying that A is semi group. It is clearly not a semi group. Second one is saying that A is monoid. If it is not semi group, see this, if it is not semi group, there is no way it can be monoid. Got it? So if it fails to cross this one and enter here, how can it enter here? Therefore it is not monoid. Third one is saying that it is group. It failed to enter semi-group section. How can it enter group, right? It cannot enter this part. So it is also false. D is saying that it is not semi-group. Yes, it is definitely not semi-group, and D is the answer. Got it? So it is always better that you start from algebraic structure and then work towards the group instead of the opposite way. So whenever the question is like this, start from the algebraic group and then come to the group. Got it? Fine.
Hi, if you are planning to do masters, then doing masters abroad is better than doing masters in India. I'll give you all the reasons. So first reason is, out of 1 lakh students who take GATE every year, there are only 500 seats in old IITs. So all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%, and IITs, universities better than IITs, they have very good acceptance rate like 30%, 40%, but all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%. And if you are working hard to get into IIT Bombay's ranking is 177. And IIT Roorkee's ranking is 400. If you are happy to get into IIT Roorkee, then getting into universities better than IIT Roorkee is easier compared to getting into IIT Roorkee. And looking at the salaries for computer science, for software jobs, if you have done your masters in computer science in US, the salaries are ranging from 80 lakhs per year to 1.2 crore per year. So even if you take an average of 1 crore per year, your savings will be much higher than the salaries in India. After taxes and your cost of living, you can easily save 40 to 50 lakhs per year. And in India, the maximum jobs that you get is around 30 lakhs. So your savings will be much greater than the salaries in India. And these are all the services that we provide. University shortlisting. So depending on your profile, we will shortlist what are the universities that you have to apply. And statement of purpose building, and then LOR guidance, and GRE and English test assistance, and education loan assistance. So you don't have to have any collateral, which means without any security, now you can get education loan. Getting education loan is very simple these days, and whatever the amount of fee that you have a range of universities. You can apply for 10 lakh universities, 20 lakh universities, or 50 lakh universities. But whatever it is, you are going to get complete education loan, and you can pay off your education loan in 1 year after you get a job. And then we do visa assistance, mock visa interviews, and then connecting with the university alumni. So now you might ask why we should join Game of Visas. So the answer is we have 90% success rate, 99% success rate. And these are all the destinations that we guide the students to. So we guide students to any country that you want to go. So now it is not just USA. We guide to UK, Germany, Australia, Canada. So we guide students to all the countries. We work with all the destinations. And if you are interested in going abroad, you have to just drop us a message on this WhatsApp number 9494 555 454. Okay, thank you.